Alright, Jack, I need your help.
What's up?
We're gonna get some GTR lights. Yeah, just keep feeling pretty fun. Guys, that is so lame, bro. For only $30, yo, this is like a big difference in my opinion. Bienvenidos mis amigos, mis amigas, mis hermanos. Mi nombre es Danny y bienvenidos a mi canal Danny Z. What in the world? This video just got so weird. Akira, why would you? Since when did you turn on my car now? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know. Oh no. G, welcome to the family. Hands up, boy. $3.58. What's going on? Okay, I can't believe I'm doing this because it's really risky. We're gonna swing it for the first time. This isn't the official like first swing ever, but for the vlog, we about to do one, at least half of one. There's two reasons as to why I shouldn't do this. First reason, pretty obvious. I mean, I'm not very knowledgeable on this car. Yeah. And second reason is like a little worse. So, the front left coilover only has 2 bolts on. So that's pretty bad. Yo, this car's so nice at sliding. Dude, and that was only like a quick test. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to do like a proper first slide in the G video. So, today the almighty Copart G is gonna change a little bit. The rear is just missing a little bit of spice, you know, it's just missing a little bit. Absolutely love the wing, but we need a little bit of light action at night. You guys know the 370Z has insane lights, the 300ZX has custom JDM lights, the G35, we're gonna get some GTR lights. During the day, I don't think you're gonna be able to see it much, but during the nighttime, it's gonna look so sick. This mod is very cheap. If you wanna do it yourself, I will leave it down below. It's a plug and play. Look at that, $39.95. So awesome. This is like quote unquote the cheap way to make your tail lights look really cool and give it that GTR style where instead of the middle bulb lighting up, it's gonna be the outer ring. I mean, they do sell custom tail lights that look like just like the GTR one, but that's a little bit extra. But actually, if you pair that with the GTR front bumper, that might actually trigger a lot of you. And you guys already know I'm still waiting for my bumper, so I can still cancel the order, get some real GTR tail lights, and then a real GTR front bumper for the G. I'm just kidding, I actually wouldn't do that to you guys, or to myself, or to Julie. Poor Julie. Oh, and I almost forgot. Yo, tell me the G doesn't look. I'm just gonna let you guys admire the G. Look how good it looks from this angle. Dude, when I first got the G, I was like, I like 350s better. But to be honest, I like G35s better than 350Zs. I think I just stirred up some drama. So let me know down below, 350Z or G35, what do you think looks better? So next thing we're gonna do is like this little, I guess you could say rear windshield visor wing. It's like this little thing, that a strip that goes on the top. That's actually what we're gonna do first right now. If you want to buy this, well, link this. I will have everything linked in the description. Hey, you know something is kind of cheap when it comes to like a foam roller thing. Like, what is this? Look at Akira. You guys want to see eBay quality? Whee! Nah, this should actually look really good. It's like nice and gloss. Ooh, I like it actually. Okay, so since this is definitely gonna go under 3M, we definitely want a clean surface. So we're gonna go ahead and scrape it real quick. Look how empty that looks like up there. Like, you see it from down here? Super empty. We gotta spice things up right now. Also, I would definitely recommend 2 people to do this. Yeah. Dude, you can already kind of... Ooh, this is gonna look so clean, bro. Yes. Yes, hear that? Oh, are you on your way or no?
Yeah, I'm on my way. I'm actually...
Alright, never mind, Jack is coming. Alright, Jack, I need your help.
What's up?
We gotta put this on the car.
What are we putting on the car?
That.
That?
That.
What is that?
Alright, so can you like kind of lift it up? Right, so we're gonna start here. Bam, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does that peel?
Yeah, keep going, keep going. Yeah. You good?
I'm looking outside.
That's perfect, bro.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Dude, it's like a nice little subtle thing, but it looks, look at that. It looks so much cooler, right?
Yeah, you mix it. I don't know. It like just makes it like somewhat better. I know it's something so simple.
It's like simple, but like it gives it like a nice little.
Yeah.
You kind of like push it down.
Yeah. So what's the point of this exactly?
It's kind of like a little aerodynamic, but also just makes it look a little clean, you know?
Oh, okay, I got you. Nothing too seriously.
Yeah, nothing crazy.
I got some crazy turbo hype speed power, bro.
Don't ever do that again, please. Yo, look how good this looks. Woo!
Sir.
Look at that rear end. Oh, that's so sick. Guess how much that cost?
$15.
Ooh, you're close. It's like, well, actually, it's like $30. 30.
30?
I think around
So
there.
I was half, huh? Like,
But it's not bad though, right?
for $30, that's not bad at all.
Whew. Okay, so now, as you can see, it is nighttime. I don't know why I'm screaming. I had to wait all day until it got dark so you guys can actually see the tail lights. Because previous videos I've done tail lights during the day and it's not the greatest idea. So we got nice lighting set up. Let's get it. But before that, okay, lock the car. Unlock the car. What are you doing? We're filming. Get out of here. Okay, as we saw from that demo, if I even put it in the beginning, it's kind of boring. You know, like regular lights? Nah. I love how it came in this little package. It's literally just 2 little plugs. One for each tail light. But your Z doesn't have that. Does your Z have that? It doesn't. What's... Don't be scared, just kind of pop it up. I just put something, just kind of pop it up. There we go. There we go. So once you take that plastic off, you're basically gonna have everything exposed. And I'm guessing, where does this go though? Yeah, because basically just plug it. Oh, wait, hold on. I figured it out. So this OEM plug right here that comes out of the tail light goes right into the plug. And then this goes where the harness of the tail light would go. Bam. And then this one goes into the... This is probably the simplest thing I've ever done. Okay, so now it should work. Oh, that's so cool. See, now you get both. That's so cool. GTR gang, look at that. Oh, that's sick. Oh my gosh, that is so lame, bro. This looks so much better, dude. You see how it gives you that GTR effect because you get like the outer glow? For only $30, yo, this is like a big difference in my opinion. Instead of like this little wimpy guy, oh, that's disgusting. Something kind of important that I want to show you guys is the little device, like the metal one, gets really hot. So what I did, I didn't want that touching other wires and just risking it. See that hole right there? I literally just threw it in there and then I went ahead and zip tied the 3 that don't get hot together outside. Honestly, now that I'm looking at my tail light, is it just me or you guys? I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up, but I feel like the left side, it just shines more than the right side. Who knows, maybe in the future we get custom tail lights. Actually, that would be really cool. I know you can splurge and actually get like GTR legit tail lights for the car, but obviously this is a budget build. I want to show you guys how to build your car on a budget, so we just stuck with this. And then honestly, for 30 bucks, dude, we spiced it up. Also, the little wing, cannot forget about this one. It looks so freaking good. It goes great with like the other wing. It's like a little subtle, Oh man, I love it. But yeah, those are the custom tail lights for only 30 bucks. Here's a little wing for only 30 bucks. That G looks good for only 60 bucks. Leave a big thumbs up. Just if you're watching right now at the very end of the video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on the notification bell. Link in the description for the $200 giveaway. You make a quote, you're automatically entered. No, you don't get spam calls. Don't worry guys, I would never do that to you. Just thank you to compare.com. Y como siempre digo, nos vemos hasta luego. I'm thinking about doing subtitles on this English channel. Let me know if you guys want to see that. And also I'm working on the podcast that's almost coming out, and a pretty cool announcement in the next couple weeks. So putting in work, grinding. You guys already know 2021. I hope you guys are doing the same. Just continue grinding, continue chasing your goals little by little. You don't even have to do a lot per day. Some days I find it that I'm not as productive as I want it to be, but I always shoot to do at least one thing that's gonna better my future, and it's just gonna put me one step ahead and one step towards where I wanna be. So you don't have to go crazy every single day. Just make sure that each day you're doing something that's gonna help your future and your goals. With that being said though, oh, they work, let's go!